Today I'm going to show you how to make this special dish, one-pot meal with chicken, potatoes, and other vegetables. It's one of the most popular dishes from northwest of China. It's called 大盘鸡. It's so delicious, but with Ying sauces, it takes no time to make. So let's first add a little bit of oil, about 1 or 2 tablespoons. So now first we want to caramelize some little bit sugar. So now we're going to add, now start caramelizing the color. Now we're going to add our garlic, ginger, and green onion. Now we're going to add a little bit of fried noodle and the chicken. So the chicken started changing color. We're going to add our potato. So now we're going to add just a little bit of peanut butter here if you like. Just add a little more flavor. Now we're going to add some cold water. Enough to cover the dish. Now we're going to cover it, let it cook, and bring it to a boil. So 大盘鸡 means big plate chicken. So we have everything in this big pot, and potatoes, chicken, and peppers. And the peppers are still crunchy. And this dish is sweet and a little bit spicy. Full of flavors.